Now to some potentially encouraging news for parents who have struggled to find baby formula. Months after the FDA shut down an Abbott plant in Michigan, that factory has been cleared to reopen. However, it could take weeks to restart production and get formula back on shelves. And there are still many questions about the Biden administration's response to this crisis. Ed O'Keefe is at the White House for us. Ed, good morning to you.
Tony, good to see you. That Michigan plant was shut down in February when the company had to begin recalling product. And since then, more than 40% of formula has gone missing off of shelves at major retailers across the country. Quite a shortage. So now, under an agreement with the FDA, Abbott can begin the process of reopening once the agency approves the initial steps. Abbott says the factory can be completely up and running within 2 weeks, but it would be another 6 to 8 weeks before formula is back on the shelves. Nobody is setting a definitive date, the government or at the company at the FDA. But if you do the math, it seems the earliest the baby formula supply would be back to normal is at least mid-July. The FDA also plans to relax some regulations to allow more formula to be imported into the United States to boost supply. Meantime, lawmakers in both parties, among them New York Democratic Senator Kirsten Gillibrand, are calling on President Biden to use the Defense Production Act to compel other companies to help produce more formula. That was the same law that was used to boost production of ventilators and other supplies at the beginning of the pandemic. The White House says it's one of many options still under consideration. The FDA commissioner will testify on Capitol Hill later this week. He's likely to face all sorts of questions, including why his agency waited so long to reopen that Michigan plant, given that an investigation found that the illness traced to this formula was never actually found at that facility. Nate?
Ed, thank you.